To add items to your wish list on Temu, start by logging into your account on the Temu website or mobile app. If you do not have an account, create one by following the registration process. Once logged in, browse through the various categories and products available on the platform. You can use the search bar to find specific items or browse through the collections and recommendations. When you find an item you are interested in, click on it to view its details. On the product page, you will see a button that says Add to Wishlist. Click on this button to add the item to your wish list. You can also add items to your wish list from the product list page. When viewing a list of products, you will see a heart icon next to each item. Click on this heart icon to add the item to your wish list. To view your wish list, click on the account icon and select Wishlist from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a page where you can see all the items you have added to your wish list. From your wish list, you can remove items, add them to your cart, or share your wish list with others. You can also use your wish list to keep track of items you want to purchase later or to compare prices and features of different products. Adding items to your wish list on Temu is a convenient way to save products you are interested in and come back to them later. It helps you keep track of the items you want to purchase and makes it easier to compare prices and features of different products. By following these steps, you can easily add items to your wish list on Temu and make the most out of your shopping experience on the platform.